If you want to track income and expenses by department, location, or project in QuickBooks Online, using classes is one of the best features available. In this step-by-step 2026 guide, I'll show you exactly how to set up and use classes in QuickBooks Online, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on class tracking. Before you can use classes, you need to enable the feature. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Then select Account and Settings. From the left menu, click on Advanced. Scroll down until you see Categories section. Find Track Classes and turn it on. You can also choose whether you want to assign one class per transaction or one class per line item. If you want more detailed tracking, choose one class per line item. Click Save, then click Done. Step 2. Create classes. Now let's create your classes. Go back to the Settings icon. Under Lists, click on All Lists. Then select Classes. Click the New button in the top right. Enter the name of your class. For example, you can create classes like Marketing, Sales, Administration, or different store locations. If needed, you can also create subclasses under a main class. Click Save. Repeat this process for all the classes you need. Step 3. Assign classes to transactions. Now let's use classes in real transactions. Go to the Plus New button. Choose an invoice, expense, bill, or any other transaction type. You'll now see a class column in the form. Select the appropriate class for the transaction or for each line item, depending on the option you selected earlier. Fill in the rest of the details and click Save and Close. That's it. You're now tracking your finances by class. Step 4. Run reports by class. To see reports by class, go to Reports. In the search bar, type Profit and Loss by class. Open the report to see how much income and expenses each class has generated. You can customize the date range and other filters as needed. This is extremely useful for tracking performance by department, branch, or project. And that's how you set up and use classes in QuickBooks Online in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more simple QuickBooks tutorials for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.